All right, doing something I've never done before, which is putting some gyro settings or utilizing a gyro on a 3D model. I've got this Extreme Flight Extra 260, it's a 49-inch variant, and it's really twitchy in my opinion. So much so that I'm a little bit unconfident flying it aggressively. So I want to see if utilizing a gyro improves stability. Obviously it will, but I want to see if it still retains its capacity to get loose in 3D maneuvers as well. So as I said, first time using a gyro in a 3D plane, so very curious to see how this goes and whether it makes this aeroplane a little bit more forgiving. All right, taking off. Oh, that feels pretty rock solid already. It is very calm today, but that already feels like a larger model. I normally fly this model with the side force generators. And it actually feels so much more stable even without them. Now it is, gains seem to be too high there because it was starting to bounce around a little bit. So I've just turned those gains down a little bit. Yeah, that recovery was a lot better than what I experienced when this model was not stabilized. Have a look at that. That's unreal, actually. That has made such a difference. I'm using a 10360T Plus receiver. Wow. That has transformed this model. I've always been a gyro denier. I certainly wouldn't use one in my 67-inch models because they are just so inherently stable. But the way that has improved this little extra is pretty staggering. And I think it's changing my opinion on gyros. And have a look at that. It still doesn't lose any of its capacity to get loose. Let's see how it does a knife edge spin. No problem. Try again. Recovery is sensational. I'm actually blown away. I was going to sell this model, and now I'm happy that I didn't. The interesting thing is, it doesn't interfere with your flying. You still have to maneuver it and you still have to give it inputs, but it's just completely obliterated all of that instability that I was experiencing earlier with this model. Still doesn't feel quite as good as a 67-inch or larger. But gee, feels good for a little plane. Oh, I did feel it interfere there a little bit. What a difference.